This is my friend Dopico. He's a pastor here in Cuba many years, and you need to hear the story about this church building right here.
Yes, this church was confiscated by the government at the beginning of the 60s. So for more than 40 years was not used anymore as a church. Was not church in this town, no Christianity in this town. Then in 1996, by a miracle, we recovered this property. I was studying at seminary when the presbytery asked me to come here, and the beautiful thing that happened was, so we started the worship, and the very first night the women from across came to us with this plaque.
It's got 1950, August 9th, 1950.
And all this year he kept the plaque, and he said to it, "Here, this is yours. Hold that again there."
They gave it to you?
They gave it to us, but he was keeping this.
So they took the plaque off when the government took it many, many years ago, and then
The women from
in 1996 they brought the plaque back and gave it to Dopico.
and then we recovered this plaque.
Wow. Wow.
And the biblical text, Matthew 25:21.
Wow.
Bien, buen siervo y fiel, sobre todo has sido fiel, sobre mucho te pondré, entra en el gozo de tu Señor.
Do it in English what it says for the people.
Yeah.
In this is the text, biblical text that say, good and faithful servant, you being faithful in little, now I'm going to place you over a lot,
Wow.
many things. Come to the joy with your Lord.
Wow. Wow. Dopico, thank you for
Yes.
your faithfulness and your commitment.
Now we have a lot of children and people in these communities and in a lot of poor communities around. Resplandor, Vega, Purilimpia, very poor and vulnerable families living there, but they are coming to God. Every day we have new people coming to us in this area. And now the church is the light for all these communities. You can see how we are expanding now.
Many, many coming to
No one
Christ.
can stop the Church of Christ. No one
Amen.
can
Amen.
stop it. Yeah.
Wow. I'm so honored and blessed to know this man for many, many, many years and what God's doing in Cuba.
From the church,
He said at one time the church was full of bats. It was just full of bats because it's been closed down for over 40 years.
and then all function time. Wow. Lot of